Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can add your NRDS ID number to your DocuSign account to give you access to the Texas Association of Realtors contracts. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing you'll need to do is log in to DocuSign. Once you're logged into DocuSign, you're going to click on your initials at the top right and click Switch to Rooms. Once this loads, you're going to go back to the top right to your initials and click Preferences. And then on the left side towards the bottom, you'll see Integrations. Click that. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit and click Add Provider. Once you're here, you're going to select the R for Realtor. And this is where it's asking for your NRDS ID. If you do not know it, which most people don't, you're going to click this Find Your NRDS ID. Once you do that, it'll bring up this screen with the National Association of Realtors for you to find your NRDS ID. The easiest is usually to do your last name and your license number. So type that in there. Click Submit, and then it will give you your NRDS ID. Copy that, and then go back to this tab that we had open to validate your NRDS ID. We're going to paste that NRDS ID number right here. Make sure your last name is here. Choose your association, which if you're in Texas and you're in one of our Keller Williams offices, we would select Texas Association of Realtors. If you are in a different state, just make sure that you find the correct one. You're going to click Validate. That has added the Texas Association Realtors forms. So now when you go back to your rooms to add a document to your room, let me just open up a random room here. And when I go to Documents and Add DocuSign Forms, you will now see that I have access to the Texas Association of Realtors. All right, if y'all need any help at all, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.